Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete step-by-step process of creating a verified Douyin account, which is the official Chinese version of TikTok. To get started, you cannot use the standard app store from Western regions, so you need to head over to the official Douyin website or change your app store region to China mainland to download the actual app. Once you open the application, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner to bring up the login screen. Next, click on the country code drop-down menu and carefully scroll through the list to find your specific country code, which is usually listed under the first letter of your country's name in Chinese, or simply by the plus signs. Enter your mobile phone number, tap the box to agree to the terms of service, and then press the large red button to request your verification code. Wait a moment for the text message to arrive, enter the code quickly before the timer expires, and complete any security slider puzzle that pops up on your screen. Final step is to choose your username, set a secure password, and your brand new Douyin account is fully ready to explore. Subscribe the channel for more videos.